make?
Are you being a sheep?
Oh my god. Leland, what sound does a sheep make?
Mom.
Leland, what sound does a sheep make? What sound does this make? Leland, what sound does this make?
Boy.
A cow? That's a sheep.
Mine.
You wanna...
That's very good.
Is it a puppy dog? Good
Very
job.
good.
And a duck?
Oh,
Good
very
job. And a rooster? Good job.
Very good.
Ow.
And an owl? No.
Go. Ooh, ooh.
Moon.
No. That doesn't know.
Moon. Moon. Moon.
He wants to find the cow, Daddy.
About.
There's a horse.
What sound does this make?
That's a horse.
Moon.
Mooey,
Yeah,
that's
good
right.
job. That's the cow.
We love the cow. Here, now you take.
What's on the next page, Leland? Here. Here. Turn the page. There you go.